Good morning, everybody. I've got my glasses on my head here. We are up bright and early, and when I say bright and early, I've been up since 4 a.m. this morning because I could not sleep. Every time I rolled over, I moaned and groaned because of the yard work that, I'm going to rest my arm here, that we did yesterday. Ronnie and I successfully cleared out a lot of stuff in our backyard, and I am so very proud of the two of us that we went out there.
And we done it by ourselves.
We did. We did it all by our lonesome. We worked as a team. It was a lot of hard work, and there's still more to do. But you know what? We
will glory in what has already
exactly.
been done.
Well, we cleared off two big sections, and one was really, really big. And I know on my Instagram I posted pictures of these posts. They're like fence posts, and the ends of them still have concrete on them. There was two of them that I know had to weigh at least 80 pounds or more. They were so heavy. But you know what? My husband and I, we drug them to where they needed to go. We drug 12 of them where they needed to go. There was bed rails and fencing and all kinds of stuff, and
I forget what all, but you know what? My shoulders was hurting yesterday a little bit, but today I'm actually doing pretty good.
Well, my entire body hurts, and it was so funny because well, I don't even know if it's here. My really good friend Emma, she always brings me stuff. She says, I don't know if you need it, but you know the dates are good on it. We don't need it, so if I have extra or something, she always brings me stuff. So.
Thank you, Emma Jackson.
Yes, thank you. So I had previously had written her the night before yesterday, and I said, do you have any lawn bags? Because we have been getting these huge storms, and we had all kinds of leaves and debris and sticks and twigs, trees. I call them mini trees. They were just limbs. In our backyard, and I said, if you could spare some, that would be great. And I offered to pay her for them. She won't take any money, but she brought me 5 big ones, and believe it or not, that's all we needed yesterday. So that worked out perfectly. But I thought it was so funny. She brought me this Bayer, and on the bottle it says back and body. Honey, these came in handy last night after we got done doing that yard work. So this morning, we're up early because the bus is coming early, and we wanted a chance to get up and make my grocery list, drink our coffee, of course. I haven't even done my hair yet. I do have makeup on, but I haven't done anything to my hair. I probably just wear it in a bun. I washed it last night because I felt so filthy dirty after playing in the dirt yesterday and the leaves and everything. In fact, we both came in and took a shower yesterday. We were like, no, you go first. No, you go first. Because we knew we're so nice to each other that we knew that, you know, we both really wanted to get in the shower yesterday when we came in. But we both got showered. I made pizza yesterday.
And I ate every bit of it.
You did eat every bit of it. Yes, you did. And so now today I am going to go to the grocery store with my sweetheart. And my mom and dad will be here. Today is Thursday. My parents will be here Sunday. So if you guys know me, I'm going to be very, very, very prepared, aren't I, babe?
Oh, yeah.
And so I've got a list of what meals I'm going to be making, what I want to buy today, and I just need to get it on paper because it's all in. I can't say her name, but she's in. My Echo over here has my grocery list. Like every time I thought of something I needed to buy, I would say, hey, Alexa, you know, and I would say, put this on the grocery list. So who knows what's on there? A lot. And hopefully we get to the grocery store and get back home in due time, and I can fix us some lunch. And then I've got some things to do around here to get ready for my company. But today I'm not planning to do any yard work. I may go out there and try to get the lattice cut off the the fencing. What it is there was a lot of stuff that was piled against a fence. And I think at one point in time, Ronnie's mother, I think, thought she might want to grow some flowers by the fences, the kind that kind of grow up like a trellis. And so they put lattice against the fence. They wired it to it. And what has happened over time, because it was kind of, you know, you couldn't really get in there because things was put there, the vines of things have grown in between it and to the stuff that was laying there. So last year we couldn't remove it because the vines weren't dead. And this year, the reason why we're getting out there right now is because the vines are dead, and I was able to break that stuff free and get it out of there. It was still a lot of hard work because some of them vines were pesty, but there's vines that have grown between the lattice and the fence, and I'm going to take some kind of wire cutters, if I can find some in my toolbox that my daddy gave me, and cut all of the lattice off the fencing. And I'm going to stack it all together and put it somewhere because we're trying to simplify our yard so that I can upkeep it easily with a weed eater and a mower. So that we got the front yard done last year. I paid a friend of ours to come. They got a lot of stuff, but because those weeds was wrapped around all that stuff, he could not pull it out. He couldn't pull the stuff out or he would have moved it. But that was an impossibility. That's why I had to get in there early. We had to get in there early to pull that stuff out. So Ronnie and I, we worked together. We carried, he took an end of the post, I took another end of the post, and we carried it over. And we took turns holding the bags open to pick up all the debris and fill the bags. And then we tied them and carried them together down to the street because they were heavy. So needless to say, when you don't do this kind of yard work all the time, it was big work and very, very tired, very tired. But you know what? It's good work and it's healthy work. And I don't know. It's good to see progress happen, but I'm very proud of me and Ronnie. Aren't you proud, baby?
I'm very proud.
That we worked together and got all that done. Like I said, there's plenty more to do, but we are going to, I don't know, we're going to buy something today and eat something good today to, to celebrate our success. I told my honey, I said, this is steakhouse kind of success. But we'll see. No steakhouse quite yet, but well, I'm sure we'll find some goodies today, and I'm going to share my grocery haul when I get back. Okay, I'm back from Wally World, and yes, so rode the bus today, and it was fun getting on and off the bus today because of all the yard work we did yesterday and carrying these bags. But I had a little, I call it my little trolley, but I have like a little basket with wheels out here by my fence. So when the bus pulls in, I get off and I get the little trolley and I pull it over by the bus, load all my bags in it and wheel it to the house. That way I don't have to go that far with it, and it's easier for me to get it indoors. So here is my food that I bought. Found a good bit of stuff. Also had to buy some household items, so it's all good. So I got some mild cheddar in a small bag and a larger bag because I have two different recipes that I need that for. Down here is a thing of bologna. I'm going to be making some bologna salad, 2 things of cream cheese, some spaghetti sauce. This is the mushroom one I love. 2 things of the peppers and onions. This is what Ron and I absolutely love. And we're going to have fajitas this evening for dinner, so I'm going to put that in it. Then we have cheese slices. I can't believe it, but it's like the first time ever being out of cheese slices, but I'm out. And then this goes into my bologna salad that I'm going to be making. And so I've got that. Got a thing of meat on sale, some ground beef. celery, some Dawn soap. Gonna try this one, see if I like it. Another thing of spaghetti sauce, some sweet pickles, a couple things of taco seasoning, the Great Value brand. So last year I got a new hose. I can't find one like it, but that's okay. This one wasn't really expensive, but it's it's one of those kind that you turn it on at your faucet outside and it grows. It gets great big. The only thing is it doesn't come with a sprayer, so I bought the sprayer. I made sure it fit while I was in the store. So there you go. I got me a new hose. The one that I got last year doesn't work, so we're fine. Had to get some shampoo, so got these, and some black olives, and some spaghetti, some powdered sugar, some bananas, some tub butter, as well as some stick butter, 2 things of this chicken taco. Now, when we made fajitas last, usually we buy fajita seasoning, but this last time that we made, we used the chicken taco seasoning by McCormick, and it was wow. It was so good. So yes, we're buying the chicken taco stuff now because we love it so much. It was really good. It was a game changer. Some napkins, 2 things of chocolate pudding. This is the sugar-free. This is for me. Some Italian sausage. Got some Black Angus beef patties, hot dogs. Another thing of bologna. I'm going to put it with the other one wherever it is. Let's see what else we got. Some hot chocolate, because I was going to buy the Keurig hot chocolate, but I usually get it from Aldi because it's not really expensive. But the ones at Walmart, they didn't have a box under $13, and I just was not going to buy it. Some Texas toast and some shake and bake. This is just their brand. Some laundry detergent tabs. This was really expensive, but I need them for the yard. These are contractor bags. They're very thick. And yesterday, my friend Emma gave me 5 of them, and they're just so much easier to fill full of stuff and take it down to the road. And so I just got me a roll of them. What's it gonna hurt? It's not. So we got some ground chuck, some breast tenderloins, and we've got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. That's what I'm going to use to make the fajitas this evening, because that's what I got on sale last time. Those were on sale this time, so I was like, let's do it again because it was really good. Now, this isn't all my groceries, so I'm going to have to put this away and bring the rest out. But I got some cream cheese for bagels, and 2 things of their brand of flaky biscuits, some WD-40, because I have a squeaky door upstairs and I have to get it where it's not squeaking or it's going to wake my parents up every time we go to the bathroom in the night. It's loud. Some sour cream. I got I'm going to make some Jell-O and put this berry cherry in it. I got a can of the cream of chicken soup because I am going to make some cream of chicken and biscuits. Some hot salsa right here. A big thing of peanut butter. Frozen French fries. 1 Vidalia onion. A head of lettuce. 2 bell peppers. 3 I think these are Powerades. But anyways, I got 2 red and 1 blue. I actually got those for my dad because he drinks those when he's here. So really wasn't sure what ones he actually really likes. So I like these, and I have other stuff to drink too if he doesn't want that. But I did get that for him because he always ends up doing yard work for me and helping me outside, and then we always make sure he has plenty to drink that's cold outside. So yeah, we got that. So I'm going to put this away, and then I'm going to show you guys my bread and stuff I bought. I also bought some soda, so I'll show you that next. But I want to make sure I get everything put away. All right. This is the rest of it. So I got some bagels. I got a blueberry and an everything bagel, which, oh my gosh, is my favorite with egg on it. Oh my goodness, it is thebomb.com. And then I got some graham cracker crust because I'm going to be making some homemade peanut butter pies. Oh my goodness, I don't know what to say about that, just other than yum. Did get some bread. It got a little squishiated. I figure by the time my parents get here, this loaf will be gone, so I will have to buy another loaf of bread, which is fine because that'll take me up to Walmart. We live really close, and it's no big deal. And then I got some flour tortillas. I just went with their brand. I was trying to be as frugal as possible. Anyways, I went with their brand. We're going to eat them today. And then I got 18-count egg. I didn't get a big thing of eggs this time because I have to put the box in my refrigerator. And with my parents coming, I'm planning to make a 7-layer salad and some Jell-O and some pasta salad and make ahead a lot of things so that it's made and it'll take up the shelf space in my refrigerator. So I don't want to do that. So you get what I mean. I'm trying to conserve space. So then I got 2 things of hot dog buns, and then also got 2 things of paper towels. I don't hardly ever use paper towels, but my mom and dad do when they come in, so I just made sure I had 2 small rolls because usually I don't, oh my goodness, I don't even know that I've even bought a single roll. Maybe when they were here last time, they bought a roll, and I think my father-in-law may have given me a roll of paper towels. But I very seldom ever buy paper towels because I just feel like it's a waste of money, in my opinion. I just do. I use rags and such, and then, I toss them in the washing machine. Anyways, this is the chicken we're going to eat today, so that's why it's still out, because I'm going to cook. But I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I purchased today. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. And I will be seeing you all again soon. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And I'll be seeing you very soon. Bye, guys.